break it down, won't quit at all. Dupco's here, just make the call. Paper jam, a total mess. Dupco Techs will fix it best. Toner low, need supplies. We've got stock, no compromise. Need a service, need it fast. Dupco's got your back, just ask. Print it, scan it, copy the speed. Dupco delivers whatever you need. Leasing, buy and service repair. One call to us, we'll be right there.